Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So when these folks came to us, they had a traditional U-shaped wood tone kitchen that was all the rage several years ago, but they wanted to make it light, bright, and beautiful, so they came to the F&S Building Innovations team. One of the things that makes a kitchen exceptionally functional is a large island. This gives you a great space for workspace, for preparing food. It's a nice place for people to gather around and eat, chat, drink their coffee. In this case, we extended this island into the original dining room, so it really lengthened the whole size of this kitchen. One of the things we definitely wanted to incorporate was a small coffee bar area. In this case, we were working with a little bit of limited space due to walkway, so we did a narrower depth cabinet, but we were still able to incorporate upper and lower for plenty of great storage, a small bar sink, and gave them exactly what they were looking for. When we started this kitchen renovation, we completely changed the layout. From the fridge, we added a double oven, to the cooktop, to the sink. When we chose the sink location, we knew we needed to take in that view. So we added this large picture window, which whether it's summer, spring, or fall, you're going to be able to take in that gorgeous view. They went with a double wall oven, which enabled them to do a nice pretty cooktop. And look at this backsplash. It's a nice French Baroque tile and that champagne bronze pot filler. So pretty. So some projects are a little more special than others, and this one was the grandparents of Cash Gaudio. He was tragically murdered in his driveway last year, but his family has taken that tragedy and turned it into something good. They've started the Live Like Cash Foundation. You can visit cashgaudio.org to contribute. It's a way for you to contribute for people to be able to pursue their career and their education. Cash loved everybody. He wanted everybody to reach their full potential in their dreams. You can help be a part of that. cashgaudio.org.